From this sound, you can imagine that this pump is a centrifugal pump. Radial discharge pump, mixed flow pump, and axial flow pump all are rotodynamic pump. A rotodynamic pump is a pump that uses rotation of an impeller or propeller where energy is continuously imparted to the pumped fluid by means of rotating impeller or propeller. The term rotodynamic covers true centrifugal pumps as well as pumps that use rotation to create energy to convert rotational motion into linear motion. Whereas in a positive displacement pump, fluid is moved by trapping a fixed amount of fluid and forcing the trapped volume of fluid into the pump's discharge. The most common type of rotodynamic pumps are centrifugal pumps, radial flow, mixed flow pumps, and axial flow pumps. This picture shows impeller section of radial discharge centrifugal pump, mixed flow pump, and axial flow pump. In case of radial discharge centrifugal pump, impeller discharges fluid perpendicular to the pump shaft axis. In case of mixed flow pump, impeller discharges fluid at 45 degree with respect to shaft axis, and in case of axial flow pump, impeller discharges along the pump shaft axis. Radial discharge pumps are centrifugal pumps in which the fluid is pumped perpendicular to the pump shaft axis. That means at 90 degree with respect to pump suction direction. As the fluid enters the pump impeller eye, it is accelerated by the centrifugal force created due to impeller rotation and flows radially outward into a diffuser or volute casing at a very high velocity. Since volute casing is having gradually more cross-sectional area, velocity energy is converted to pressure energy. This type of radial discharge pumps are used for pumping water and oil at moderate head and capacity, and advantage is wide range of head and capacity combination available. This is sectional view of radial discharge type centrifugal pump, where fluid is pumped perpendicular to the pump shaft axis. This type of radial discharge pump is also known as end suction top discharge type pump. And this is the picture of end suction top discharge type and side suction side discharge type pump. Both are centrifugal type. Casing of end suction top discharge pump is radially split and casing of side suction side discharge pump is axially split. Radial discharge centrifugal pump's impeller rotates like this. A mixed flow pump is a centrifugal pump with a mixed flow impeller. That means outlet has both radial and axial component. Angle of discharge from impeller is at 45 degree with respect to shaft axis. Hence it is called diagonal impeller. Mixed flow pumps cover the transition range between radial discharge pumps and axial flow pumps. Mixed flow pumps are used for high flow rate at relatively low discharge pressure. Mixed flow pumps are used for irrigation and cooling water supply to thermal power plants. And advantage of mixed flow pump is high efficiency and low NPSH requirement. This is picture of mixed flow pumps. Impeller of mixed flow pump rotates like this. An axial flow pump has a propeller type of impeller running in a casing. In axial flow pump, the flow enters and leaves the pump chamber along the axis of the impeller. The pressure in an axial flow pump is developed by the flow of liquid over the blades of impeller. Axial flow pumps are used where very high flow rate is required at low discharge pressure. Axial flow pumps are used for cooling water supply to power plants, flood dewatering, and for irrigation. And advantage of axial flow pump is it can be used for high pressure and low flow by changing propeller pitch. This is picture of axial flow pumps. Impeller or propeller of axial flow pump rotates like this. This is performance curve of rotodynamic pumps. This performance curve is for radial discharge type centrifugal pump, and this performance curve is for mixed flow type pump, which is more flat, and this performance curve is for axial flow pump, which is further more flat, that means huge flow at low pressure.